For a patient, be included in a trial with immunotherapy is a real chance to beat the cancer. But what's the reality behind the treatment for a patient? Once you are home, you have to check side effects, go to a medical lab and control your biology, and then you have to come back to the hospital to control again your biology with specific biomarkers and go back again to get the next injection of your treatment. We know that this experience is difficult and we must do our best to make patients' life easier. We want to rethink the patient journey in Immuno Oncology trials. We are now implementing digital tools developed by BioCortex in the Cerba Healthcare Medical Lab network. Our idea is to offer a new kind of patients follow-up where the medical lab close to patients' homes is linked to the hospital. This link will be digital to create a data bridge between Cerba and Gustave Roussy, and medical with specific trainings and biological controls. So thanks to the Cerba Research and Gustave Roussy partnership, we hope that decentralization of trials will improve patients' experience by limiting round trips to the hospital and control side effects. So people just have to come to the closest Cerba medical lab from home with a specific medical and digital care. So it's faster, closer, and no stigmatization of illness, no anxiety-provoking atmosphere. Only patients with specific side effects will be recontacted and might have to come back to the initial hospital. In fact, we adapt our medical care to make patients' lives better.
Step 1. Patients are recruited by Gustave Roussy for clinical trials in immuno-oncology. Step 2. IO clinical trials require frequent lab test monitoring biological changes. Patients can attend a convenient Cerba lab instead of going to the site, anywhere in France. Step 3. During their biology, the lab technicians collect the patient's answers and impressions. They follow the Gustave Roussy protocol to which they have been trained and fill in specific questionnaires added to the platform. Step 4. Survey results, biological and trials data are centralized in data center and then sent to Gustave Roussy physicians. Step 5. Only patients reporting severe side effects must return to Gustave Roussy. The others will have to continue routine lab appointment in their local laboratory. Everything is tracked digitally and reduces paperwork for physician and site.
With my colleagues, we have a very good input of the Patient Connect solution because we earn time. The patient will earn time. The patient experience is better. It's really better for us in our experience. But also we have more information in the real time, lab tests, but also clinical data. So that's really important, and in our daily living as physicians in medical oncology, we need to have the right information at the right time, and we have it with the Patient Connect solution. In the COVID period, it's very bad to have a lot of patients waiting for results in the waiting room, for example. So with this solution, we earn time and we have less patients in the waiting room, so it's really better to reduce the risk of infections by COVID in our waiting rooms. Adding informations, for example, clinical informations or daily living informations of the patients is important and is really very beneficial for us and for the patients, of course. We, of course, need lab data at the real time, but we also need to have clinical information. So with Patient Connect solution, we have all this process at the right time, at the right moment, with the right patient and with the right physician, of course.